Dog, you wanna make big money quick, dog?
It's gonna be big money. I'm not gonna show you some way to make $5 or $10 or $20
make big money, right?
I'm gonna show you how to make big money.
We're talking big money today. Well, 24 hours.
In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make quick money.
But I need to make this money in one day.
In one day.
All right, but I need to make this money online.
Online and.
All right, but I need it to be big money.
It's gonna be big money. I'm not gonna show you some way to make $5 or $10 or $20 in a day online. I'm gonna show you how to make big money.
All right, well, this seems legitimate so far.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
So one thing I'm assuming here is you don't have time to learn a new skill.
Who has time to learn a new skill when I need to be making big money?
It's gonna be big money. Okay, so we're just Xing that out. And I'm also assuming that you don't have time to figure out some sort of complex setup.
I can't figure out how my underwear gets wet after I use the bathroom, let alone some kind of complex system for making big money online.
It's gonna be big money.
This guy, where has he been all my life?
Multi-million-dollar internet business. I have a lot of skills in this space, but I'm assuming you know, even if I showed you how to set up a website, we're not gonna do that sort of stuff.
Thank God.
You need something fast.
Yes.
And I'm also assuming you need something big.
Huge.
Because you're not looking for quick, steady money. You're looking for something big in one day. Now, I want to make a quick distinction here, okay? I'm going to show you how to make...
What was that?
Show you how to...
Can't retake that?
Show you how to...
I feel like... I feel like when you do something like that, you should do a retake, you know? It's rude not to.
The only way to actually get paid money in one day online is if you get paid cash.
This is getting weirder and weirder. This is the first time I've seen this. He's like legitimately being like, if you need to get paid tomorrow in 24 hours, cash. This is how we do it, my guy. You ready to learn?
If you need literally the money in your pocket tomorrow, you need to get paid cash. But that's not what I'm gonna be going over. You go on Craigslist, I don't know what country you're from, I don't know, but you just gotta go get some cash or beg or whatever.
Beg? Beg? You're gonna have to beg. Who is this man?
I'm gonna show you how to make money, big money, in one day online. Okay, let's go. So, it's gonna be big money.
What the fuck is this? That's one way to get people to listen to you. Have a pile of money propping up your laptop. Look at all that money.
It's gonna be big money.
That's how you know he's legit. Look at this mountain of cash I'm standing on. You got to trust me now, you filthy beggar. There's nothing hidden here. I want the world to know how to make big money. How'd I get on this gigantic mountain of money? All right, helicopter, come get me. I'm rich, I can fly away on helicopters anytime I want. Big money!
Now, what I'm gonna show you is a method where you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day.
Big money!
Put an extra couple $1,000s in your bank account. Yeah, and it's quick money and it's big money.
Hey John, the money on the table looks good, but it's a distraction of what you're trying to teach.
So here we are on ClickBank right here. ClickBank is a site which will pay
ClickBank sounds like clickbait. I'm just being observational.
Big money in one day. In one day, using something you can only do once, really. You're gonna check this out. So what we're gonna do is you can sign up for ClickBank and you will promote my product.
There it is, there it is. We found it. He wants us to sell his shit. That's how I'll get a big stack of money. I'm gonna sell his stuff for him.
You'll click promote. Now what you then do is you take that link and you go over to any one of your social networks. Any social network that you are using.
Done it on Facebook. See, he's getting people to do it. True gangsta, 100%. No, he's not. Thank you, Showtime. That's absolutely correct. BB-8. BB-8? If BB-8's selling this shit, I love that. I love that droid. Only from The Force Awakens.
Here's a free training which taught me how to make money online.
You will sell my product. You will sell it, and you will make big money. Yes. Yes. What's that?
Check it out. Okay. Let me just type it in for you so you kind of see.
What's that smirk?
Let me just type it in for you so you kind of see.
Is he being condescending right now? Is he condescending us right now? That's not cool, dude.
So here's my post. As you can see, I just typed in, here's a free, in my personal Facebook. Again, do not complicate this. You're using your social networks. What you're doing is you're selling to friends and family.
What you're doing is embarrassing yourself in front of friends and family. I guess it's a pyramid scheme. I don't know. I don't know who built the pyramids. Probably aliens. Wait a minute. Of course. It's not about selling his product. This has been about aliens all along. He's made contact. This is a secret way of spreading the message. Of course! We gotta figure out how to make contact. Hello, aliens? Aliens? Hello.
And I just said, here's a free training that taught me how to make money online. Pretty interesting. Seems very normal post, or whatever's normal for you. Or you create an email and you send that email to every person that you've ever talked to.
Make an email with a link to my product and send this email to everyone you've ever talked to. Everyone I ever talked to. I don't have all those people's emails. Is this guy real? It's almost like I'm impressed that he's just like saying ridiculous shit.
Send out 400 emails. Put it on Facebook, put it on Instagram, put it on Snapchat, put it on Twitter, put it on LinkedIn. Text it to people. This is a way that you can make quick money and big money online very, very fast.
I want testimonials, boy.
And it works.
Oh, never mind. It works. That's all I needed to hear. I'm back on board, baby.
The second step is it's going to ask you for your banking information.
Oh my God, dude. They want my banking information?
You know, I know you're probably thinking, oh my God, I have to enter in my banking information.
How does he know?
This site, you've probably already used it.
What are you talking about? I've never even heard of clickbait. Bank. I really need to clickbait this. Oh, I need to make a thumbnail. I'm ready. These are thumbnail poses. I'm gonna put money under here and that guy under here, and I'm gonna have a big old, I'm gonna pitch a tent. Maybe money signs in the eyes. There we go. That's a thumbnail, baby. Who is this man? Who is this man?
You've probably been using it for years, just unknowingly, just as a consumer. Okay, this is the biggest
Look at him smiling when he says
information
shit.
products website on the internet, and it's over 21 years old. You know, it's run by some people in Idaho. It's very...
Thank God, it can drink and it lives in Idaho. I was so worried, because if it was in Egypt, I'm gonna be like, it's a pyramid scheme. Idaho doesn't have any pyramids, and it's of illegal drinking age. This checks out.
Okay, so no matter what, you're going to have to enter in your social security number.
No, man. Stop it.
If you want to try to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars in a day, you know, ClickBank is one of those underground ways to do it.
Oh. So it is underground. It's underground. It's an underground way of making money. Remember bootlegging? Remember that way? Remember that underground way of making money? Rings, it's a little bit underground way of making money, isn't it?
And then you create a nickname.
Man, you gotta create a nickname. These guys are all right. Good old Iowa boys.
And that's a very easy, quick way to make big money.
Yeah. Did we learn anything? I don't know. This mic is itchy. Okay. I think that's all I got, guys. So,